How different are you? Whoa. Well, I've just finished making my Echo Show 10 video today, and I'm just editing another video I'm going to put up very soon, showing a comparison between the Echo Show 10 and the Echo 4th Gen, a sound comparison. And the results actually surprised me. So here's the sound comparison, and I'll let you know my thoughts at the end of the video. So, what do you reckon? Well, I was quite surprised because in my Echo Show 10 video, I said that it may sound better than the Echo 4th Gen, but I did have the Echo Show in the corner, so it'll amplify the bass a little bit and make it sound better. But when it's out in the open on the table, it didn't quite sound as good. I thought the Echo 4th Gen sounded better, a bit more bassy, a bit better mid-range. I just thought there was overall a better sound to it. So I was quite surprised by that. I thought the Echo Show 10, all these other reviewers are raving about how good it sounds, but I didn't think it sounded better than the Echo Fortune. It still sounds good, don't get me wrong. Relative to the size of the speaker, it still sounded good. But the Echo Fortune for me was better. What do you think? Do you think the Echo Fortune was better or the Echo Show 10 was better? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.